A warm welcome to all of you. My today's presentation topic is Introduction and History of Medicinal Chemistry. So now let's start it. And what is the prerequisite of this presentation? The discipline at the intersection of chemistry and pharmacology that involve identification, synthesis, and development of new entity or chemical entity that are suitable for medical and pharmacological uses, and is known as a medicinal chemistry. And so basically, we are going to. And what is the objective of this presentation? First, we are going to study the introduction of medicinal chemistry, in which we are going to study the basic about or basic related to the medicinal chemistry and their history and their development and from where they are originated. So now let's start the introduction. Medicinal chemistry is the chemistry discipline that concerned with design, development, synthesis of pharmaceutical agent or medical important entity. And this discipline combines two fields of expertise. One is chemistry, and second one is the pharmacology to identify, to develop, or to synthesize a new chemical agent that have or that has therapeutic uses. And these chemistry discipline chemists basically have to deal with the making of new chemical compound and observe its biological effect and make changes in their chemical structure, to get optimum or get a desirable pharmacokinetic effect or pharmacodynamic effect from a particular entity or group of entity. So let's move to the next slide. Now let's talk about the history of medicinal chemistry. And why we are studying this medicinal chemistry as a separate subject. Many years ago, people used wide range of natural products for their medical and medicinal purpose. These products were primarily obtained from animal, vegetable, or mineral sources and were sometimes found very effective for a particular condition of infection. But many of the products were found to be very toxic. It become a cause of death. And it is interesting to note from the Greek that use the similar word or same word for the both poison or medicinal product. It called pharmacon. And one of the drawback of earlier discovery is that the literature about the Asian remedies was not readily available for the use until the discovery of printing press in the uh, 15th century. In early 19th century, the extraction procedure and isolation procedure come in existence by the isolation of electrolytes and carbohydrate esteroid, and by the two scientists that is called Ehrlich and Hatta. Uh, some of the isolated compound were proved to be satisfactory as a therapeutic agent, and like one of the discovery that established the organic chemistry, that is acetic acid was synthesized by Alzhov in 1845, and methane was synthesized by the Perel Bartlett in 1856. This discovery set the stage for the organic chemistry and medicinal chemistry. Now let's talk about the majority of plant and natural products were believed to be very toxic, such as morphine, cocaine. These two products derived from opium plant, which was extensively prescribed by the physician, and still physician prescribing in a very less quantity. And these two products have a very high synergy depression ability. And in the search of finding less toxic medicine and drug than this, on the basis of natural sources, resulted in the introduction of synthetic substances in early 19th century by the Ehrlich and Hatta. Consequently, when it was compared their effectiveness and selectivity with natural product, it found that they have a more effective or selectivity than natural product. And consequently, the word chemotherapeutic index come in existence, and that means the minimum effective dose and maximum tolerable dose. And recently, it has been updated to take account into the variability of individual community. It's now been defined as reciprocal or therapeutic index or ratio. Therapeutic index is directly proportional to LD50 or ED50. LD50, that means the minimum dose required to kill 50% 50% selected population. We can when you talk about the ED50, that means the minimum effective dose required to produce from 50% effect pharmacological activity in a selected population. I hope that you all aware with the pharmacopoeia or pharmacopoeia standard book. Similarly, various community and group of people in earlier time have their unique book or unique collection. है ना? So in a 2000 century back, Materia Medica that have a 250 vegetable drug and 150 minerals drug. Similarly, in 1500 century back, Egyptian papyrus papers have 700 drugs originated that is originated from animal, plant, minerals, है ना? And Emperor Frederick II issue a similar book that is called Magna Carta of Pharmacy that have 1200 for 40 drugs or medicinal product. And similarly, synthesis of urea in 1828 started the organic medicinal chemistry or set the stages for this organic medicinal chemistry. Earlier, Ehrlich or Hetta that synthesized the various synthetic product by the side chain theory or chemotherapy established by these two scientists. Fisher and Locke and chemotherapy similarly that is established in modern medicinal chemistry in 1800, and similarly the medicinal chemistry was received the first formal recognition in the 1932. The drug discovery process, we can classify it into three different category with respect to medicinal chemistry. So, drug discovery. Discovery by screening many compound of synthetic natural sources and optimization like involvement of other chemical alteration on their chemical structure and by the structure activity relationship basis to enhance their biological and pharmacological property. Among the method that have contributed to the quantitative metabolism prediction like SORT and COP and COMSIA. These are the various software that you use to optimize your ligand. And next step is the development that involves the rendering the chemical compound or lead compound by the various pharmacokinetic or pharmacodynamic procedure or by the steps.